let's learn how you can create a generated portfolio on Canva. So first step is to open your browser and go to canva.com website. Now this will be your home page. You want to click on Dreamlab on sidebar menu, and on this box you want to describe the image in few words. So you want to type in here prompt, and prompt for today will be generate me an portfolio for me about programming, for example. You want to click on create and wait for images to finish up creating. So have in mind that this is still in beta, and as you can see here, this can be some picture you can post on portfolio, like introduction. If you want to edit it, you want to click on edit in design, or if you want to download it, just click on three dots and click on download image. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.